It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Friday, the 10th of February. I'm James Spann. A cold morning, a pretty decent afternoon today with a bright sunny sky. Some clouds for the weekend, maybe a few showers. And next week, still remaining somewhat of a mystery with our midweek system. So here we go. Check it out this morning. The big trough that brought the cold air sweeping off the Atlantic coast. And a cold morning. And Birmingham's the outlier here with 37. Most everybody else well below freezing. Gadsden 28, Fort Payne 25. Not so sure if that's the urban heat island effect or if some wind has stirred things up in Birmingham, but most folks are indeed below the freezing mark this morning. And around the nation, very cold air in the northeast where they are under a big blanket of snow this morning. But notice how the western states, relatively mild, and we warm up nicely this weekend. Some folks might touch 70 by Sunday afternoon. Here's a watch warning map around the nation. Things are relatively quiet this morning. And no thunderstorms around here today. Maybe some thunder out around Sacramento, California, but no severe weather expected around the nation. And this is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week. Texas looks pretty wet, but the amount of rain we see here is iffy. Maybe a few light showers over the weekend, but that midweek system next week is still a low-confidence event, as you'll see. So here we go. Model fans, the GFS, the 06C run, valid today at noon. Heights are coming up. The flow is zonal. A dry air mass. We're expecting a sunny day with a high in the low 60s in most spots today. Now, tomorrow, moisture will be increasing. The sky becomes mostly cloudy, and there could be a few widely scattered showers. Nothing heavy, nothing widespread. The high in the mid to upper 60s. And pretty much the same thing on Sunday. There's a cold front approaching from the north, and that could kick off a few showers on Sunday. It's not going to rain all day. Don't think we hear any thunder. And rain amounts should be pretty light, but clearly a chance of showers Sunday and pretty mild with a high close to 70. And then Monday, that front is on by. We have a cooler, drier air mass. Monday will be a cool day and mostly sunny. We start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 50s. Pretty much the same deal on Tuesday. Partly sunny with 30s to start the day, 50s in the afternoon. System off to the west over Texas. Now, this is Wednesday. The GFS keeps the rain with that system west and south of here. And then Thursday, it just bypasses us. All the rain stays way south. And if this is right, it doesn't rain at all next week. And a week from today, troughing on the East Coast, and again, we're cool and dry. Basically, all week, highs would be in the 50s and lows in the 30s if the GFS verifies with no rain. But again, the European is looking a little different at midweek. This is Wednesday. It's got a 1,002 millibar low around Fort Walton Beach, and that's suggesting we'll have some rain on Wednesday. And again, we're going to roll with that solution and maintain the chance of rain on Wednesday. But again, that's a fairly low-confidence forecast at this point. But one way or the other, certainly no severe weather with that feature, with the surface low being down to the south like that. This is the end of the forecast period, Sunday the 19th. A zonal flow and a cool, dry air mass, if this verifies. And the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble, highs in the 60s this weekend, in the 50s much of next week, and then we warm up around the 21st, 22nd, then we cool back down again. But again, across the board, no sign of any excessively cold air. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on TV, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.